subscribe. So Abhishek, you have to do your favorite dance over here. It feels like the Hulk is doing backpacker dance, right?
The pain.
Hey guys, welcome back to NS Vlogs. It's Abhishek here with you, and this is not Swagata, by the way.
This is a new friend. He is telling you to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Yeah, NS Vlogs is our channel, and do subscribe if you haven't. So, right now, I guess this is the best way to start any kind of vlog in Dubai, because Dubai, as you know, is known for camels, and we are leaving our buddy right now. So, bye bye, buddy. We'll come back to you. Swagata, do you have any kind of emotions with him?
No, he's not my pet.
So guys, it's a Friday morning, it's 10 o'clock right now, and we've got ourselves up a little early because we want to experience something special.
Very special.
Yeah, it's going to be very special, as she said.
Yes.
So we have come to one such mall, and now as you know that Dubai days are getting very hot day by day, so it's
right
not...
now temperature is 40 degree in 10 o'clock.
Yeah, it's 10 o'clock, 40 degrees, you can imagine.
Wow.
So it's not practical to do any kind of outdoor activities. So we were just going through some of the activities that are indoor or within the mall or inside the mall, and we came across this. So we are also going to experience it for the first time, but then we have come ahead of time. So we have to wait for say 5 to 10 minutes, I think. Yeah, it is going to open up at I think 10:15. But then we found something which is very cool. Look behind me. Oh my god, how big this clock is.
But the clock is not working.
It's not working? Yeah, exactly. So they've just, I think, given a feel kind of, and I think, what are these lockers, or you know, what is this about?
Photo session?
Maybe, yeah. You want to take your photo?
No, it's closed.
Yeah. Okay, actually, as I move ahead, I can see a lot of cooler things over here. We don't visit this mall too often, isn't it? That's why we don't know.
The first time.
No, this is not the first time. We have come to Times Square, but we haven't explored much.
We haven't explored.
Yeah, we had come a couple of times for some purpose. We just went there and came back, or went back, right? So come now. So there are a lot of cooler things actually in this mall, and this is one of them. Let's see what Swagata is doing. Swagata, what are you doing?
I'm feeling as if I'm in jungle, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Even they have the hot air balloon also.
But does that go up?
No,
Yeah, just a replica, right?
replica.
Okay. So now is the time to show what we have come here for.
Yes, let's go.
Okay guys, so this is what we're going to explore today actually. Now you can feel as if this is kind of a cold storage inside, but then they have a lot of replicas, I guess. What is it? Okay, this is all going to be made up of ice.
You know what? The inside temperature is -6 degree and outside is 40. How will we survive?
Oh my god. See, there's so much of difference between inside and outside. It's -6 degrees, guys, as she said. So let's go. Okay guys, so this is the thing, this is the entrance, but before that let's read out this. So these are the entries, and then we have got complimentary hot drink, thermal clothing. Of course thermal clothing is required, then include jacket, gloves, shoes and socks. So let's head out. Oh, let's head inside. Not let out. Yeah.
Written over here, आपका स्वागत है. चलो.
Okay guys, so this is how I'm looking. I'm looking very weird, right? I'm not going to close this until I literally feel cold. So let's go. Swagata.
We both are looking so funny, right? So this is our final look. So let's go.
So let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh my god, this looks like some kind of a cold storage actually. And I just get a feel as if, you know, human bodies will be kept inside, isn't it?
Oh, it's so cold out. Come here.
Okay, time to head inside now. Oh my god. Everything is literally made up of ice right from here.
It's all made of ice, right?
Yeah. I think we should touch this with naked hands. I want to remove these gloves. I don't want to use these gloves. Just remove it. Now actually I'll get a feel. Okay, honestly this looks like some kind of a my place because I just love being in a cold place. And here everything literally is made up of ice. So if I touch this sofa, this is made up of ice. They've got,
Oh my god,
yeah.
this is so
We've got a lot of actually places to take selfies
Can I
and
sleep here? Can I
thumbnails.
sleep here?
Wow. So I can think of some music. Okay, let's see what all things are made up of ice.
Everything.
Okay, so here you can sit and have your coffee or hot drink, whatever. What is it? Aladdin and Jadoo Ka Chirag. Oh, now my hands are feeling cool actually. Yeah, that's okay. So I can bear this much cold. And these are some of the spikes. What do you call? They've actually given a feel of Antarctica, isn't it?
Can I remove my hat so I can feel the actual
Yeah, actually we should remove our hats also. It's amazing, yeah. See, I'm without hand gloves.
If you guys you're feeling so hot in the outside, do visit this restaurant. You will feel very, very cold, right?
It's exactly opposite of what they have outside.
Look, Abhishek, even in -6 degree. Oh God. यहाँ पे ही रुकते यहाँ पे ही रुकते अभिषेक तेरी बाहुबली चेयर बाहुबली सीट
Now is it empty thumbnail?
Oh yeah. I'm alone. I'm running because I'm feeling so cold.
She's getting warmed up. She's getting warmed up. Wow, it's amazing. Now whatever I touch, it's all ice. And besides the fact that it is all made up of ice, they've maintained it quite well, isn't it? Nothing is melting.
Yeah, nothing is
So they
melting.
have
How
literally-
about the temperature?
Yeah, so even when the mall is shut down, they have to keep these open.
This happens only in Dubai, guys, right?
Yeah, exactly. Okay guys, so I know I'm looking very weird, but then I have to wear this. Without this, I think die because it's -6 degrees Celsius. Literally it is. I was just thinking that they call it as -6 degree, but it may not be. But then it is -6 degrees Celsius because I have lived in 0 degrees Celsius as well, in 4 degrees Celsius as well, but this is below that. So this is the first Middle East sub-zero lounge, right? What is that? That is what they call.
Right.
It's amazing. So let's see what Swagata is doing right now. She's trying to actually imitate her.
I'm trying to.
Okay, we've got our hot chocolates actually. Thank you. Okay, here is our hot chocolate and with some
Even my hands
pastries.
are so shivery.
Give me my second glove also. Now my hands are feeling cold.
It always on a bucket list that I'll have a cup of coffee in like snow. So it's thick.
You know what? Even these gloves from inside have become very cold, so I should have been wearing it outside. Okay guys, so let's take a cup of hot chocolate. It feels very good. You know, I started getting a feel as if we book this private lounge because as you can see there's nobody here, right? I can do whatever I want and then there's a music also.
He becomes mad. Can you do Govinda's dance?
I can do everything now. What do you want, Govinda?
Yeah. Mr. Abhishek, no one is here, but the CCTV is here. They are watching you.
I've never been so excited. I'm excited, I think, when we went to US last.
Right.
After this, I'm so much excited right now.
But it's so cold inside.
Now just look around. I mean, just quickly walk through what all strange things they've got over here, rather. So this looks like a boat. So do I need to go inside? Yeah. It looks like I'm sailing a boat.
Yeah. Where's the water? Where's the water?
It's all ice. Water is frozen.
Yeah.
So now this is King's chair. Bahubali's chair. I think I have to do like this, right? Yeah, so this is King's chair. Then they've got a lot of sofas. Oh, my friend! My friend is frozen. We were just outside, right? Oh, my friend. Hey, that's not. Yeah, I'm getting too excited.
Aladdin.
World Cup. This is the World Cup. Then they got here Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa? Where?
Yeah, Burj Khalifa.
Oh, wow.
And then
This is the skyline, Burj Al Arab.
Burj Al Arab Hotel. It looks like Dwarf Burj Khalifa,
Yeah.
Burj Al Arab, right?
We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost.
Okay, so they've got more small sculptures over here actually. And these are what, ice cubes again? Oh, these are also ice cubes. So nothing is actually, you know, artificial over here.
Let's go outside, otherwise I will freeze here. It's so cold.
Okay guys, so time to say bye bye to this wonderful lounge. Hopefully we'll come back again. Maybe with parents.
Bye, buddy.
Oh my god. It's completely fogged up now. Okay. Yeah, it keeps fogging up actually.
We need to go outside.
Yeah, we'll go outside and continue. Okay, let's try to go without wearing anything. Oh my god, it's freezing cold right now. Wow. Oh my god, let's go out. But it feels nice to be here. So finally we are out of the launch and became normal. So it took almost 15-20 minutes for the camera to, you know, become normal because it was completely getting fogged up time and again. So we literally had to wait for 15 minutes to end this vlog, and we would like to dedicate this vlog actually to only chill out launch because it was definitely worth. What do you feel about it?
Worth it.
Yeah.
You can visit at least one time.
Yeah, and The actual price is 80 dirham, but then you get such offers on Coupon.com or such deals on which all sites I'm not Coupon.com, so you can get it there at a cheaper cost. So we got it at 60 dirham per person,
Right.
and it was like 20 dirham saving for us, so you can also avail that discount there. And right now, yeah, it's time to end this vlog. So right now, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because it really motivates us to make more and more interesting things, more and more interesting places we can visit, and yeah, stuff like that. So let's end this vlog right now.
Stay blessed.
Stay happy.
Enjoy.
Your life. Bye.
काय केलं ना हे पण हे कंट्रोल कसं केलं
हात खूप थंड होतात ना, तुझे हात नाही थंड होणार कारण तू आधीच घातलेस ना, माझ्या हाताची बर्फ झाला पूर्ण.
हो